Your goal is not enough.
Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Geek-A-Tech. Today we are going to talk about a very interesting topic which is called diamond shape problem. Generally in every interview questions, whether you work in any OOPS based programming language like Java or C Sharp or Python, they asked you that what is the diamond shape problem, or they might ask you that why we are not able to inherit multiple classes like C in C++ or in C sharp or in Java. What is the main cause? So many times we answers like that, oh, because of diamond shape problem, but we need to understand that why we have the diamond shape problem in the OOPS programming languages. So today we are going to talk about this topic. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press notification bell. So let's start with the problem, that what is the diamond shape problem in all the OOPS programming language. So let's start with a very basic example. Okay, we try to understand with the first example, and then we will see that how we can understand that what is the diamond shape problem. So here you can see that we have one parent class which is called car, and then we have two child class. One is electric and another one is gasoline, and there is another grandparent child class, or we can say a common child class, which inherit both electric and gasoline classes, which is called hybrid. So here you can see that the hybrid class is if we try to extend or inherited these two classes, then hybrid will inherit electric as well as gasoline. But the problem is these both classes is inheriting a one single class, which is called car class. So what happened when you initialize the, or create the object of the hybrid class, then there is a constructor chaining will trigger. And the problem is that here in hybrid class you will get the copy of car class. You are getting two copies of car class because of each this classes, the parent class, one of the electric and another one is gasoline. So now you will have an ambiguity, and you will have two classes, electric and gasoline, which both are the child car class of the car class, and both have the copy of car class. So now the problem is that now the VM won't be understand that which constructor I should call, because both have the same both have the same copy of the car object. And then here it's become an ambiguous situation where constructor chaining will fail. It will not able to call a one single constructor because it has now two copies. So this is the main reason that why diamond shape problem exists in all kinds of OOPS languages. So this is the main reason. If someone asked you that what is the diamond shape problem, once there might be case they will ask you like, okay, let's talk about why we don't have multiple inheritance, then we will say we have a diamond shape problem. Then what is the diamond shape problem? Okay, so this is the very basic and very simplest example you can tell your to interviewer, or whenever you have a query session or you have a Q&A with yourself. Then you can simply demonstrate that this is the reason. Because of this reason, because of the constructor chaining, when it happens, then it will have the duplicate copy of car class, because both electric and gasoline cars are child class of the car class, and these two classes are trying to be inherited by one single class, which is hybrid class. Okay, so you can demonstrate this example, and it will give you very basic overview, and it will help you to understand the problem of diamond shape problem. Okay, so this example will demonstrate easily and in a very layman form that why this diamond shape problem occurs and why we don't have multiple inheritance. So if we want to overcome with this problem, then there are a couple of options in different programming languages. Like in C sharp we have virtual keyword, we can use that. Java, we can use interfaces. Even in C sharp also we can use interfaces. So yes, we have the other way around through which we can do multiple inheritance. But uh, in a in a very simple manner. If we try to extend the two classes by using comma, then it is not possible for any oops class. Okay, so you will not be able to inherit two classes. Okay, you can inherit only one class. So you can have only one parent. You can't have two different parent classes in any oops programming language. Okay, so yes, this is a very short discussion about the diamond shape problem. So thank you very much for your love and your support. Thank you.